said, you missed third base. So I took a little trip down by the ocean, put it all on the shelf. The beach life, you can find yourself. You got good intentions of getting in shape, but it's kinda like the postcard you never sent. And there's a sense of freedom, but it rolls out on the waves. And Jonathan still rules the wind. There is something in the air that you never seem to grasp. The beach life, it's a gas.